Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to enable two-factor authentication in line. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the top right next to the add friend icon, you can see a button like this that looks like a gear. Click on it right now. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this page. Well, do note that there are lots of options, but right now all you guys need to do is focus on this thing called as account. It's under the personal info section. Click on it right now. And this is it, guys. Well, from here, do note that there are lots of options, but right now what you need to do is simply focus on this login and security tab. Right here, you can see something called as two-factor authentication. Simply toggle on this button right here. And guys, that is it. As you guys can see, now two-factor authentication has been enabled. Well guys, that is it. Enabling 2FA inline is as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.